Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to move your money from Wells Fargo to SoFi in 2025, you're in the right place. With the latest banking updates, this process is straightforward and secure, helping you manage your finances more efficiently. Whether you're switching banks or just transferring funds, I'll walk you through it step by step. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up at both Wells Fargo and SoFi. You'll need your login details for both, plus some basic info like account numbers for verification. Let's dive in. Start by opening the Wells Fargo mobile app or logging into their website on your computer. It's super user-friendly, so navigate to the Transfers or Move Money section. It's usually right on the dashboard. Once there, look for an option to add an external account. That's where SoFi comes in. You'll need to enter your SoFi account details, like the routing and account numbers. Don't worry if you don't have them memorized. You can find them in your SoFi app under Account Settings. After entering the info, Wells Fargo might ask you to verify the account. This is for security, so they'll probably send a small test deposit to your SoFi account, something like a few cents, and you'll have to confirm the amount back in Wells Fargo. It only takes a day or two, but it's worth it to keep your money safe. Once verified, you can initiate the transfer. Select the amount you want to withdraw from Wells Fargo and specify it's going to your SoFi account. Double-check everything to avoid any mistakes, and hit confirm. Processing times can vary, but in 2025, with faster payment systems, it might only take 1 to 3 business days. Keep an eye on both accounts for any notifications. Pro tip: check for any transfer fees. Wells Fargo might charge a small amount, so look out for that in their fee schedule. And remember, always use secure networks to protect your info. There you have it, you've successfully withdrawn money from Wells Fargo to SoFi. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.